This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Airbnb. Airbnb is an American company who operates an online marketplace to help travelers have a place to stay for vacation or lodging. I have used their service before and it works well. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. Also, thank you to those who have already subscribed and liked my videos, it means a lot. Just a reminder that I have no positions in this company, so I'll give an unbiased viewpoint. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we will wrap it up by looking over the long-term pattern on the weekly chart. As you can see here, we are on the daily chart, and this company recently IPO'd just last year on 10th of December 2020. After the IPO, it dropped and then it started its uptrend before we made about a triple top and then we sold off, which I will show you here. So we were in this range for the most part before we broke lower. I would say it's about right here, the range. Prices were going up and down between this range, finding support at this 173 level. However, there was also another pattern in play, which would be this channel line. As you can see here, I'm going to make this a different color so you can see the channel better. Let's make it a light blue. So we were making the same lows, however lower highs. So that means there's two patterns in play. Usually if the range was in play for the most part, it wouldn't have stopped here. It would have went all the way to the top and back down. But we were finding resistance right at this channel. So since we were mostly in this channel and at the support level, price couldn't take it anymore. So one of the patterns were going to give way. Either it was going to be the channel giving way and price would have made its way to the top of the range, or the range would give away, which happened right here, and we would make it to the other side of the channel, and that's what happened. So after that happened, we had a break here and a break here. So usually the textbook says if we get a break on one side of the channel, we're going to get it on the opposite side, which we did. And also the textbook says if we make a new high of the short-term correction, which we did, we're going in this channel, coming back to the major channel, and then we broke outside of the minor channel and we made a new high. So that kind of ends the correction. So that notifies me that we're going to go back down to test this low. So I do believe this low will be tested in the near future, probably before August or even mid-August. We would probably get a new low here and maybe even a break of the 120 level to stop out this long right here. If we were to do a measured move from the range, because price breaks out the same size of the range it was previously in, we have already reached it. So that's why we bounced over here and then we corrected before going into this smaller range. And what happened in this range is that we broke out the top, we broke out the bottom, and we came back in the range. So right now the buyers and sellers are neutral. There's a lot of indecision in the market, so we will continue to see some sideways action for the most part before we go lower. Now we're on the weekly chart, and I didn't move any of the channels or the arrows or anything, so this is how it looks like on the weekly chart. As you can see, even the weekly chart shows a channel going down because it's the same price action. It's just more concise. So therefore we had this little channel going up and then this range. So price could be coming back to test the EMA and then continue lower, or we could just break out right now and go lower. I don't see us coming back to test this breakout range at 173, but it is highly possible. I just don't see it happening because the bias is still down, and usually we will see a test of the low. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below of a house emoji if you are bullish on Airbnb, and leave a car emoji if you are bearish. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time. Bye.